What is up, everybody? Good morning, good evening, depending when you're watching this. Hello all my friends, this is Contest 10. Welcome to Brains Get Gains. My name is Classified, your host. Let's get to today's video. Okie dokie, everybody. Thanks for being here today. I want to thank all the 188 subscribers out there and all those viewing the channel. Thanks for your support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so that we can continue to work towards our goal of 250 subscribers. All right, the topics for today. First one is music. Then we have biology. Then we're gonna wrap it up with grammar and youth slang, a classic. Also today we're gonna do a bonus $40 giveaway. Just comment down below what your favorite or strongest subject is in these videos. And then make sure on your submission emails that you put your YouTube username so that I can match it up. And if you comment down below and you win, you'll get $40 instead of the $25. Anyways, we're gonna get right into it. Good luck on the questions. Take care.